Spread your legs, you're going to be frisked.
The families of Newtown deserve a vote.
That was the worst day of my presidency, and it's not something that I want to see repeated.
We'll see what the Senate does. We'll review it, and we're going to continue to have our hearings and review this issue.
It's easy to avert your eyes from the horror of what happened in Newtown. It's easy to just box your ears and pretend that it didn't happen.
Than false choices like the one the president laid out tonight.
We have Marco Rubio on the cover.
Show the cover, guys.
Okay,
reveal. The Republican savior, the man who may actually help bridge a deal on immigration.
The time has come to pass comprehensive immigration reform. Now's the time to do it.
What's the most important thing you'll get done this year?
I think immigration reform is probably at the top of that list.
Signed into law?
I think by the end of the year we could have a bill.
One that passes the House, passes the Senate, signed by the president?
Yeah, no question.
If Speaker Boehner moves forward and permits this to come to a vote, even though the majority of Republicans in the House, and that's if they do, oppose whatever it is that's coming to a vote, he should be removed as Speaker.
Generations of unfulfilled dreams will finally come to pass. And that's why I support this reform.
The yeas on this bill are 68, the nays are 32. The bill as amended is passed.
We need immigration reform.
For everyone who's a valedictorian, there's another 100 out there that they weigh 130 pounds and they've got calves the size of cantaloupes because they're hauling 75 pounds of marijuana across the desert.
We need some indication from the White House and from the majority in the Senate that they'll actually work with us.
And you're saying we're addressing them, and that's what you're upset about, Madam Speaker? I want you, Madam Speaker, to address the reason that they are here. They are here because our government is tearing apart their families.
Or has America the Beautiful become Alice's Wonderland? Hold your tongue, said the Queen, turning purple. I won't, said Alice. Release the drones, said the Queen.
I intend to speak in support of defunding Obamacare until I am no longer able to stand. 8 White Castle restaurants a year. I like their little burgers. Do you like green eggs and ham?
It's about trying to do what's right for the whole country. And if your heart doesn't break when you read these stories and when you take the phone calls and when you have people tell you, why?
Republican Trey Radel faces up to 6 months in jail, a $1,000 fine, and major political fallout.
And save us from the madness. Deliver us from the hypocrisy of attempting to sound reasonable while being unreasonable.
And then this morning, I get the Wall Street Journal out, and it says, well, we don't care how long this lasts because we're winning. Well, this isn't some damn game.
And, that's on me. I mean, we fumbled the rollout on this health care law.
The American people believe Congress is broken. The American people believe the Senate is broken. And I believe the American people are right.
He may as just as well have said, if you like the rules of the Senate, you can keep them.
When they pushed us into this fight to defund Obamacare and to shut down the government. The day before the government reopened, one of the people at one of these groups stood up and said, well, we never really thought it would work. Are you kidding me?
Are you asking these groups to effectively stand down?
I don't care what they do.
We came here to get something done. We always lock horns. We always argue. We never agree. I think it's about time, for once in a long time, we find common ground and agree.